Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea with milk. First, let's gather everything we need for a delightful cup. You'll want your favorite tea, whether it's bags or loose leaf, along with fresh milk and clean water. Don't forget your kettle, a cozy mug, and a strainer if you're using loose leaf tea. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get brewing. Heat your fresh water to the perfect temperature. This varies by tea type, so check your tea's instructions. Once hot, steep your tea for the recommended duration, usually 3 to 5 minutes for a robust black tea. When time is up, carefully remove the tea bags or strain out the loose leaves. You're almost there. Quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. And speaking of comfort, just like a warm cup of tea, your feet deserve the best. Life's too short for cheap socks. Check out Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. The final touches make all the difference. Gently warm your milk. This helps it blend beautifully without cooling your tea too much. Pour the warmed milk into your freshly brewed tea, adding as much or as little as you prefer. If you like a touch of sweetness, now's the time to add sugar, honey, or your favorite sweetener. Give it a good stir and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.